They fixed PS5.
Today we got this PS5 in to replace the HDMI port. I only realized that it would be an interesting repair after disassembly. The port was previously repaired by another shop, but it didn't last long because the repair itself was very substandard. This type of repair is a repair I prefer to do. Even though the problem may be bad, it is obvious. In fact, the worse it is, the better for epic fix. I could do repairs like this all day with good motivating music, of course. I like being more hands-on with my repairs. No, I'm not saying that the figuring out issues part of the job is no fun. What I'm saying is I prefer to spend more time doing the actual repair than figuring out what the issue is. Sometimes we spend hours hunting a short or trying to figure out what the issue is with a circuit, and sometimes we find the problem by just checking on two components. It's a very unpredictable situation. Sometimes the win is easy, sometimes it's not. But we work as it comes. We are always thankful for the opportunity to work and to show what we do. I do hope you enjoy watching this as much as I enjoyed doing it. It's a lot longer than what you see here, but it was fun. And the song that you are hearing in the background was on the entire time.
It is well.